So I think humanity will increasingly seek to interface with computers more directly over time. So we move into using laptops and tablet PCs and mobile phones, and basically we are increasingly interested in interfacing more directly with computers. So I think inevitably we will eventually seek to implant computers into our brains or something. We will have a direct connection with computers and the internet, and we will become part of the internet more directly. We won't need to use the device anymore to interface with computers and access their processing power and memory and communication systems. So I can conceive of, well, I suppose there's several ways that humans can directly interface with electronics, but it might be some kind of wireless device. It might be a device that can read our brain waves and we can communicate that way. Or there could be a physical detachment through the skull or some device which will directly connect to the brain so that we can access it and use its abilities, its facilities, its networking ability, its communication ability, and its processing power. So humans will become increasingly more like cyborgs. I mean, we have become dependent on our mobile phones and laptops and tablet computers, whatever. But I think the time will come, and probably not too far off, where we will look to directly interface biologically with computers. So we will attach devices into our brains so that we can access the memory and processing power of computers directly. So humanity would increasingly become cyborgs. And the potential is amazing. Human beings will evolve basically and become more along the lines of the super intelligence. We will have phenomenal processing power directly available to us, perfect memory, amazing processing power, and incredibly quick as well. I'm wondering how soon this might happen and what the first solution will be, and what will the first cyborg be like? How will the interface with the brain work? I suspect we'll go for a wireless solution first of all. Some means of directly reading brainwaves and then interfacing that way. And following on from that will be a direct physical link where the brain is physically plugged, or a physical module, electronic module, will plug directly into the brain physically so that we'll be able to access this device just by thinking. I think it's only a matter of time before this happens. And it is wondrous and scary at the same time.